guys, welcome back to Chris Space. So today we are back with some more Mech Arena. And guys, I am very happy for 277 subscribers. Thank you very much. I never thought I would reach more than 250 guys. And guys, like always, like, subscribe and share it to your friends. And guys, if you want to play with me or make videos, come in my videos, you just got to do three things: like, subscribe, and tell a username in the games I play, such as Call of Duty, Mech Arena, Roblox. So now let's get this started. And guys, I see like whenever I say write your username, you guys write your level in blocks fruit. So you guys don't need to write your level. Just tell me your username. And now let's get this video started. So guys, my only goal is to get this gun. Yeah, this missile rack 6. So yeah, I'm close to get it guys, and yeah, let's get this started. So for that I will need 2000. Okay, yeah, no, I need to get credits, not lose them. So I have to win 6 I need to win. Okay, yeah, so 4 4. So I need to win 4 battles in a row and play 4 battles, win 4 battles. Okay, so let's get this started. Like the mech says, so let's get this started. Oh wait, I don't want it to play control clash point. Well, now we have to. Oh man, I'm gonna suck at this. Well, guys, as you see, I'm Division 2 already. So yeah, I made videos on this before also. And yeah. Yo. Yeah, I used this as a boost, guys. And bam. Thank you. Oh, that's a Sentinel. Well, anyways, this will be hard. And dang it, I died. I don't know what I was doing. Oh, that's Elfin Rank 8. I didn't unlock that yet. Dang it. The village idiot. Okay. Let's get the fade out. I wanna kill the village idiot. Cause he's such an idiot that I wanna kill him. Yo, Guardian, what's up? Dang it. I didn't get him, but he got me. Psych. And now he's dead. Okay, that's a trip mine. Yeah, these guys have good mechs, but not now, And it's dead. Dang it. This Shanks dude. Okay, bro. Whenever I come to the middle, I just keep on dying. Don't you guys think? And tell me, why do I keep dying actually? Because now it's becoming irritating for me. Bro, this shadow is like pushing me. It's the verge of death. 6, 5, 3, 2. And I'm almost done with this dude. Never mind, I just died. Bro, this Paragon, right? I just keep on dying. See? These guys are like working it out so damn easily and die already, you baka. Just die. Okay, never mind. Hey, bro, these guys have lots of good mechs actually. No wonder they're winning. Like, I have the worst mech. So, and I know we lost, but at least I do something, and I just died by killing only few people. And it's game over, guys. What a worst starting. Just kill that dude. He's almost dead. Oh, he's reloading. Bro, kill that dude. Take my revenge. Never mind. Bro, he was at verge of death. Yeah, I know. Ah, Javelin Rack 8, huh? Let's see. Anyways, we had that bad start already. Oh, got a mission complete somehow. Okay. Let me check. Okay, hey. Got a plant. Okay, I don't even know what I got, but I got something. Okay, so now let me go to my gear hub. Then weapons. Where do I get the jam rack 8? Huh? Oh, Jalvian rack 8. I get it on tier 4. Every tier has a Jalvian rack? Seriously? Let me see. Okay. From like tier 10, you don't get any Jalvians. Oh. What is this? Ah, the Seeker legendary mech. What is better, the epic or the legendary? I'm actually in the question right now, you know. And yes, this is my uniform for my mechs. You know what? Let's update them, you know. Let them be free. Nah, doesn't look good, you know. Wait, does everybody has a green? You know? If they have, oh my god, no, seriously? Which all have green? The majority will decide. Bro, most of them have red. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yup. Okay, yeah, you know what? Ashwalker. Ashwalker is actually better, guys. Okay, do I have Ashwalker? No, but I have the simple which looks so smoothing. Nothing is Ashwalker here. Not I'm gonna make it mascot. Yeah. Does this has? No. Dang it. At least we could give this a firelight. Okay, this guy already has mass shot, Ashwalker, and this thing. No, seriously. Cardinal rule. Okay, so let's wait a minute, guys. Just give me a minute, guys. Okay, guys, so I'm back. Yeah, I used some of my credits, you know. I had to, guys. Like, all the skins were so dumb. All the skins were so dumb. I had to use my money. And guys, give me a minute. Oh, wait. Okay, guys. So yeah, do we do that match, guys? Come on, let's go. Do we do that match? I think I already like used so many credits. Now I only like 40 or something like that. Don't you guys think? And I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so I'm back. Yeah, I am back, and this is my guardian right over here. Wait, where's my second? Oh, I thought my buddy just went off. So this is like my guardian with green mode on. Oh, we both spawned with guardian. What a choice. Okay, wait, this guy is on like That thing, right? Oh man, seriously? We both got a kill at least. We just spawn kill, right? I think. And I reloaded them both. Let's go. Before going, I reloaded. Oh, that's a missile rack. This will be interesting. Don't you guys think? If you don't think, then what should I think? And now, bam. Ding it, ding it. One of them needs to come, you know? Like, sis, if they both come there, how can I do my missile racks? Missile launch. Okay, both of them were affected. Okay, I think they know our strategy now, which is bad. But if I do one thing, it won't be bad. No, it's bad. It's bad. It's bad. Never mind. Oh, wait, I could do one thing. I could get a double kill in this. Oh, I got double kill. See, guys, I told you. And we won. Seriously, even if they spawn, right? It doesn't matter, put the phone away. Okay, yeah. Now I got to know what the strategy is, so I think I'll go with Ares. Yeah. Let me guess, that guy went with Guardian. Uh-huh. Oh, we both are Octons. That's great, actually. We both are Octons, then we are unstoppable. Not a Persian little hombre. I am unstoppable. Oh, we did a double KO. Oh, nice. Oh, it was a Red Ops. Wonders. Dang it, how did I miss? Nitesh died. Okay. Odwin, do you think you can really get away with this? I really assisted him, seriously? Okay, his shield is off. Well, that's great. 3, 2, 1. Let him come, guys. Let him come. Okay, at least I kinda killed, you know, someone. At least. Okay, that missile rack is actually OP. But now when we are speaking of OP, Mr. OP comes. I mean, me comes. So I think we won this kinda, even if he gets the last kill. Yo, I'm here. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, he's like one shot now. Can he move? Oh yeah, then none of them can heal right now. So I think right now is the best chance. Okay, yeah. We still won actually. I had the best partner right now. Yeah, of course. We still won, but he gets the MVP. Nice. Very good. Oh yeah. Well, anyways. One loss, one match. Does my mate stays or he goes? Nah, he goes. Oh man, seriously? I thought I could wait. Well guys, we'll be right back. Okay guys, we are back with another partner, which is Prince Lee. Yo, what's up? Prince Lee. Now you see me? Now you don't. Now you see me? Now you don't. I'm seriously playing Ringer Roses with this dude. And now... Bro, can't he stay in one place so that I could finish him off? Seriously. Sheesh. This guy takes too much of my capacity. I couldn't even get the chance to get... Oh, the Spuma. Make the Spuma. Tunna. And the Spuma gone. Oh, thanks. Bam, bam, bam. You know what? I'm gonna reload his thing. Lol. Now you speak. Speak to me. Shoot. Dang it. Lol. I'm just wrecking this dude at this point, you know. And he's dead. So, you know, Guardian is the best thing actually. No? 6. Dude. I reset it as everything. What is Princely even doing? Shoot. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come. Oh no, I did it on the last second. Shit. What is that guy even doing? Is he AFK or something? Okay, yeah. And he's down. No, we could have made it a tie. Dang it. Okay, I know what mistake I made. And I'm not gonna make it again. Okay, and now kill that Chia Puma. Or whatever is that dude. Just kill him. He's not in my range. Dang it. Okay. And now. Bam, and this dude is dead. Okay. Oh, no, this dude. At least I killed him. I'm like going on a spree right now, you know. Coming in a spree. Killing mode, you know. Can I kill that dude and die? Bro, I'm like damaging these guys like dust. Bro. Okay. He's getting annoyed. I can just know it, you know. Bro, I'm just like killing them. Like seriously. Killing them means killing them. Okay, now I died. I finally died, bro. Seriously, it's been a while since I died. Lol. Well, anyways, now I could go with my kill shot. It should be good, you know. Anyways, we at least won. Okay, let's go with that strategy again, you know. If my first strategy does not work, I'll go with my second, you guys. No? You know. I don't know, I just edited right there. Okay. Bro, even if you're not here now, you still die. Why don't these people learn? Oh, this Tilana. Tilana is doing too much Tilana stuff. Shit. Brash, die. Think I'm next, you know, to the targeting spot. Oh my god, this guy made the dumbest mistake of his entire life. And now this guy's also dying and he is dead. Imagine I had 2 Octodons, you know. Means like each and every mech. I know this is a mistake, but a mistake could be good also, you know. And now, oh, that Archenos thing, no, that reset. It's very good. Now let's see how my, uh, sorry guys, not Archenos. I think I was saying Archenos. My Guardian, how my Guardian do. Dang it. Shoot, that's a Senatio? Oh, dang it. Well, anyways, we still won. And now I can attack. Yo! And now, guys, we have just won. Let's go. Oh my god. So many medals, actually. My Archenos is so good. And ooh, bro, like seriously guys, I have been like so many rewards. You know what, I'll stick with this person. Like 25 plus 82 into 84. Oh my god, that is so much. I think I'm the god of this 2v2 that much. I think I'm the god. Don't you guys just think about it? Well, anyways, I just. Okay, guys, we'll be right back. Oh, I thought I was about to pause the video, but it just came off. Okay. No, what is this mag? There is like barely even shield here. But still, shield? Did someone say shield? Because I just heard someone saying shield. And when they say shield, I can't refuse. And this... It's again that Dylan dude, bro. And this brand Benji. Die already, bro. Okay, shoot. Two, one, oh my god, this person is about to die. No, like seriously, about to die means about to die. Shoot, that's long range. Should be kinda gay. Okay, wait. Shit. Okay, at least I killed that. Okay, this Archenos is actually good. He is good. He has a status being... Okay, so you wanna play it like that? Fine. He gets to play like that. Sniper versus snipers, you see? Done. Easy. And now I will kind of steal his strategy. Okay, I see it. I'm gonna land my baby right over here. And we won. Okay, that was a close one actually. 4-3, see? Okay, let's play with this now. Okay, so what Dylan has? No, I want to keep it a secret for Dylan actually. Okay, this Brad Benchy also has a good mech. Not gonna lie. Shoot. Shit. Okay, at least I damaged him a bit. How is he that much HP left? You know what? It's time to end this. You know what? I'm just gonna ask him, how much HP do you actually have, bro? Never mind, he didn't have that much. Okay, I need to get close to him. Getting close. Bro, I don't give a damn. I wanna kill this Thailand buddy. Deal me how much damage you want, bro. Uh. And now this guy's also there. And now this dude also is there. Bro, this Sentinel is almost dead. It's like Shadow, but like with weapons you can actually target him. Oh, he was that simple to defeat. Man, I really hope it would be challenging. 2, 1. But for grinding, these people are very good. Well, they kinda are like good people, you know. They are very good. But, anyways. They are good mechs, but they just have a problem that they don't merge with their mechs and don't understand the capability of the mech. 6 and 2. I want it. Yes, sir. Ah, bro, I'm like winning this with ease, you know? What I say isn't what I say. Uh, anyways, to the hanger. Seriously, that person didn't want to play another match with me? Oh, so mean. Okay, win 8 battles. Well, I just need to complete this. I think I can complete it like after like few days, you know? How much do I need for this? Brother. Oh, a lot. And a lot means a lot. Okay. Win 4 battles in a row. You have hit your combat limit. You cannot earn any more at the moment. Either way, wait a minute, guys. Yeah, guys, I had to use some acorns to clear this. Well, anyways, I don't think I will be. It will. I don't think it will take. I won't be able to get that weapon today. So I will try on like off screen also or on the vid also. So yeah. And guys, again, please like, subscribe, and share it to your friends. They might also like it. And now it must be loaded. Yeah. You know what? I'm going with skill shot this time. Where's my buddy? He's using MD. Okay. Well, but this kill shot skin really looks cool. And okay, I think I can defeat him here. Yes. 4, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Bro, I really thought I could kill this dude here. But I couldn't. Seriously? Well, anyways. I'll try killing him now. Dead. And now this dude right over here who thinks he can defeat me. How dare you? Well, anyways, he died. The boy guy. Finally killed him. And now I think there's one guy. Yeah, your doom. I think it's your doom, buddy, not mine. Like, see, like this. My guy didn't even get to use his weapon on me, bro. Let him waste. These guys have good guns, but not as good as me. Okay, yep, that dude has a sniper. Why do people put Archonauts with the sniper? I just don't understand that combination. You know? Going in. Charging in. I think that guy was AFK. I just killed an AFK person, seriously. 2, 1, and this guy is finally 2 and 1. And finished. That easy. I'm just gonna go with my Archons, I think, yeah. Boy, I should be careful of that Puma also. Uh, okay. And yeah. Huh? This guy is almost dead, guys. So, yeah. I think this guy's AFK, so not gonna kill him. I don't like killing AFK people. And I'm just gonna kill this dude right over here. Wait, seriously? That guy wasn't AFK? Oh my god, guys. Yeah, guys, sorry about that. Ah, my. No, 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 no. Okay, this dude right over here, I don't want to mess with him right now. Okay, this Doom guy, I have to be very careful because he has the Octane, which I don't want him to use, you know. So, clearly opposite of what I told. Dang it. Yeah. I just go right over here and finish him from here. He looks like AFK, but he's not AFK. I don't know what's happening, but I'm gonna kill him, guys. Because he thinks I'm going to be AFK, but I'm not. He thinks that I think that he's going AFK, so he won't die. But nah, bro. That won't happen. And let my baby kill him. I actually call this my minion, and sometimes my baby also. So, yeah. And let's go. So guys, this is it for today's video. I hope you guys, yep, I'm back. So yeah, so we completed our everything, guys, and now I'm going to end the video. But let's just get our last rewards, you know. We need to get our rewards. And 90, oh, that's close to 100, but dang it. And let's get our achievements. Ooh, we got a crate. Let's go. So now we just need like, yeah. How much do we even need? I think we need like 82 or something like that, right? So we could get that in the next video, guys. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and share it to your friends. They might also like it. And yeah, let's just get this last reward over here, guys. And oh, we got lots of stuff with that. Oh my god. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share to your friends. They might also like it. Bye, guys.